Hello everyone, I hope you are all well and fine. Today I'm going to talk about the stress, how we can release the stress, completely eliminate from our body, and how we can live, fulfill our life. Before going into that point, we need to understand that the stress is good, but there are two type of stress. One is good stress and second is bad stress. What is the good stress? The good stress which wakes up and which gives us challenges, day-to-day routine, the task and everything, whatever we do, which is very good way, to do our complete healthy way, complete our task. Now, what is the bed stress? The stress which cause you, which creates inflammation in your body. See, we need to understand that this stress, whenever we get stuck with the one kind of thought or something, which bring cortisol, the stress level, and it creates in our body, and that stress hormone it creates inflammation in our body, and because of that, a lot of problem we get. Even though all the disease has a root cause with the stress, because of this stress it comes, because once you body get inflammatory, your toxic level goes up. Once your toxic level goes up, your body has more negative fear, ego, a lot of things, anxiety, trauma, or many things which comes all together, and that leads to different disease. Now let's talk about that, how we can remove it and how we can overcome it. Now, first, number one, whenever you understand yourself, you have to take the right lifestyle. All of the problem which comes because lack of the lifestyle, we need to understand that what kind of food we are having. If you are continued with the junk food, which is absolutely not good for you, please stop it. The junk food we consider, which has a bad oil, which has a maida, which has a refined sugar, which has a refined flour, all those things which cause inflammation in your body, and that's why your body is full of toxic, which you need to complete, stop it, and release all the toxic element from your body. Number two, the sleep quality. It is very much important for overall your well-being. It is not just about taking proper sleep, but it is also involved for your immunity. It is also involved for your overall health, your skin, your hair, your mood, your digestion, your gut, all these things. So sleep quality is must. Take a proper sleep, deep sleep quality. Whenever you go on the bed, at least 40 to 55 minutes before, take all the gadgets off and go and have a proper sleep. It's a very sacred rituals which you need to follow it. Now, third thing, very important, which is your physical activities, yoga and meditation. You can choose any kind of physical activities instead of yoga, but yoga will help you to reach your inner level. There are certain asanas and posture which actually creates and trigger those points where you are getting stress. So I would suggest you go with a yoga practice which will help you. Then we come to the meditation, but before I come to meditation, I would say pranayam, which is breathing exercise. It's a phenomenal process. Once you understand that how our body works, it is just because of the energy, not because of the food. So let's understand how it works. We say the body, we need food to get energy, but it is not about the food. Your body can be alive few, like 12 hours, 15 hours, 24 hours, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day without food. But can you be there for just for like few hours without air, prana, oxygen? Absolutely no, right? This is called essential energy force, which that's why we are alive. And that's pranayam, this breathing exercise, is very essential, very important. What happens when you go with these breathing exercises? It reaches those, reaches deep and deep level in your organ, and it energized. It gives, because it's a prana, it gives the vital force. So we need to understand the benefits of the pranayam, benefits of the breathing exercise, which you need to inculcate, which you need to adopt in your day-to-day life, and find out and do this pranayam, basic pranayam. And especially if you're suffering from stress, anxiety, or trauma, go with the slow and deep breathing. That helps you a lot. Especially you can go with the Brahmari, you can go for the Nadi Shodhan, you can go for the Ujjayi Pranayam. This is a very simple and basic pranayam. You can practice it. You can watch my videos, which is I have done in YouTube, and you can find those breathing exercise. Now, fourth thing, which is very important, which we call that meditation. Like, let's understand what meditation is. Meditation is not about that you close your eyes and stop your thoughts. No, not at all. Meditation is be aware. Let the thought comes in, goes out. You just be aware that what is happening. It is not about that oh, I go for meditation and then close my eyes and become something else. No, not at all. This is how mind works. We cannot stop the thought. The only thing what we can do, we can be aware. And what kind of thoughts we need, that we can decide. So, for example, I'll tell you, if I see some picture which is 4 year old back, and I went to the past, I went to the nostalgic, I become so nostalgic, and I'm there for another 1 or 2 hours, and when I come back, I took a lot of stress, anxiety, fear, and many past things. So here is the problem: you went in your past, but you could not able to come back again, and you can create a gap or space or distance between that. You cannot see that, okay, that's the past, that's the phase. Whatever it happens, you need to understand, it is not just your past. It was a phase which is gone. There is nothing. All right. So what you are right now, this is what we are. I'm talking to you, I'm recording this video, this is my present moment. Always everybody has a past, that's the phase everybody has, that's gone. So we need to understand and be in a present, and this is how you can inculcate, and you can work on your mental level with the practice of meditation. So I would suggest you these 4 points. Yes, food, the first number one, which I talk about, the food, which you need to take care of it. Have a proper alkaline food, which is a lot of fruits, vegetables, and all those mineral sources which you required for your body. Eliminate all this junk food. Second, go with this physical activities, pranayam or yoga, which will help you. Third, which is your meditation, which I have talked about how it will works. Yes, and sleep quality, very, very important. So these are the points which you need to take care of your proper overall wealth and proper health, and you can remove all this stress from your body. So go and practice yourself in some yoga posture and asana, which will help you to release your stress, like a bala asana, adho mukha svanasana, your forward bending, whatever, like a paschimottanasana, janusirsasana. These are the posture made for the release, and blood flow goes towards the head and helps you a lot to release all the stress. If you have a back pain or something, do not practice this posture. Always practice under the expert, so that will help you. All right. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this, and if you find it's valuable, please share your comment and subscribe this channel, and thank you. All the best. Namaste.